Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you where the photo editor in the Wix editor app is. Okay, so just locate or place your mouse right here, click media. Okay, so next you want to tap on show more. Okay, please click on home and you will be able to see when you scroll it down photo studio right here, so just click it and you will be asked to upload an image where which you will be uploading or using in your site. Okay, just say we are going to upload this photo, and there you go. So you can edit that. Okay, so let's say we adjusted some of it. Okay, we adjusted the brightness, the contrast. Okay, so it's up to you guys on how you are going to edit an image. So after you have you have finished editing the image, just click save. Okay, and it will reflect to your it's like a gallery in your Wix editor. So you can click it and you can add it to page. Okay, so that is how you're going to edit a photo in Wix editor. Okay, so I hope this video helps. If it does, please click the like button and click the subscribe button as well. Thank you very much.